Yeah.
A long weekend.
You know, this is my third time getting this food, and I've still, to this day, have not had the nachos.
Oh, that's right. I think last year I biked in for manufacturing week.
Yeah, well, you live close by, so, I mean,
yeah,
easy for you, but...
You're going to have free food like that. I think I was on vacation at that time last week. I got to figure out this map. Oh, bomb's down. I don't want that grenade. Barry, I don't want that one.
Incendiary out.
Oh, they got 2 guys left.
Yeah, I mean, it is as full as it is at 9 o'clock, so, I mean, I guess I could try that.
Oh, I suppose you're right. Traffic ain't going to be bad at that time.
Yeah.
Throwing fire.
I'm looking, and I don't see nothing.
Incendiary out.
I think you're coming close to him. Yep, there it is. MVP.
Yeah, but I don't want to see fucking Wong Lu.
Watch out. These boys have got a man at us.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for him to say something stupid tomorrow about calling in sick. I'm just gonna fucking fire on his ass.
Yeah, try to be tactful, but I mean, I would have definitely, if he says something to me, I'm bringing up his being gone on sick days more than us.
Well, that's exactly what I'm saying.
I mean, he was out 2 days last week. No one questioned that.
Alright, these bots are pissed, dude.
Oh. Great. What did you do to him?
Dude, I can't even walk around the corner without them shooting me first.
I think they're pinned. Because they're pinned, they get pissed. Yeah.
They're just pissed.
Incendiary out. Throwing fire.
Yeah. Great. Well, they came this way. All right. Bombs down. Oh, we got an excellent first point.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Incendiary out. Incendiary.
Oh, shit.
Throwing fire.
How the fuck he sneaks in that far?
Incendiary. Throwing fire. Incendiary. Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
I swear I heard sizzling, but...
Throwing fire.
Oh, there he is.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
God, still 2 more bastards left.
Incendiary out. Grenade out. Incendiary. Throwing fire.
I think one of them is over here by me, one of them is by you.
Incendiary.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Throwing fire.
Oh, one by me died.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Running out of time, sir. Gotta get your bomb. There he is. You know what? Running through the fire, trying to kill him? Yeah, not smart. Burning to death. He just takes one shot and I'm wiped out. Have they even tried to go to B yet?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Throwing fire.
Well, I hope.
Looks like that might be this time.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think I just jinxed him. Oh yeah, I hear him. I hear him. Stampede.
Throwing fire.
And they're jumping. Oh, there they all are.
Throwing fire.
Oh my god, come on. At least I'll get through the door first.
Man, the bots are very tactical on this map. I got
you
one
wanna
of them.
snipe me? I'll snipe you right back.
Oh. I'm supposed to
Someone
defuse
defuse
that.
the fucking bomb.
I am. If you just kill the last guy, I don't have to defuse.
Well, you still have to defuse.
Yeah, you're right. It's not like it's round over. Be nice.
Well, they sniped me. I sniped two.
Let's move out.
You feel better?
No. No, I don't.
Well, lucky you, there's more to kill.
Incendiary out.
Oh, someone's lighting me up in an area.
Fuck.
He looked like the bomber.
Incendiary.
That's it. Took care of half the team here.
Throwing fire.
Are you having fun? Okay, we'll help. Oh, God.
Incendiary out.
They are.
Too much.
They are pissed.
Incendiary.
Archie's health dropping again. Don't like it.
Throwing fire. Grenade up. Throwing fire.
Finally.
Incendiary. Incendiary.
See, bomb is set it
Throwing
to be.
fire.
Son of a bitch.
And a bomber is a sniper.
Incendiary out.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You're the last guy, dude.
Throwing fire.
So that means no help?
Nope.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Happy.
Incendiary out. Incendiary. Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
There's two of them right to your right. One right behind you. Two directly to your right.
Oh, God. Real close, too. Look at that. Getting the job done. I threw 27 grenades that round.
Yeah, I think never came my way. The dying they did, I think they turned tail and went towards you.
Oh,
Throwing fire.
I thought I had him pinned.
Oh yeah, everybody coming my way. So they're coming by you, dude.
There they are. I had to kill him with bullets. I don't like it.
Throwing fire. Incendiary out. Incendiary. Throwing fire.
Oh, shit. They popped out the door. We're still at A. My number's up.
Throwing fire.
This is ridiculous.
I can't hit shit. And they can't miss. Oh, they're all in that room, aren't they?
I'm not sure where the bomb is.
Oh, they're about the planet over here.
Throwing fire.
Oh, this is brutal, dude. This is brutal. Front, back.
Oh, God.
They're just all cranked up to the max.
Front, back, left, right, up, down.
Yeah, you're getting hit from every hour on the clock.
Move it, son.
Maybe I tried a different way.
Throwing fire.
That's the way I normally take.
Incendiary.
Oh, there ain't nothing over here, so that means they're going to be.
Uh-huh.
Incendiary out. I'm taking point.
Wow, how are so many bots hiding?
Incendiary out. Incendiary.
That's you coming out the opening.
Yeah.
What about B? Oh, yeah.
Dude,
Throwing fire.
They haven't planted yet, but
Throwing fire. On me. Incendiary out. Enemy spotted. Incendiary.
oh, jeez, are they back there?
Throwing fire.
They're all in one spot.
Throwing fire.
Nice.
Clear, lads.
Look, I don't think anybody died, surprisingly.
What
Me.
the fuck? Man, the kills are spread out somewhat.
Let's have at it. Incendiary.
Someone went to B.
Throwing
Oh,
fire.
they're all at A, though.
Throwing fire.
Welcome to the barbecue, boys.
Incendiary out.
Dude, I'm already at 9 health. You got
I died.
Throwing fire.
Oh my god.
Oh,
They are
try to
pissed.
shoot.
Incendiary.
Oh, come on.
I don't know what you did, but you pissed them off.
Whatever Valve made, they are at the maximum lethal level.
Contact. Gear up. We're going in.
At first they were sneaky, now they're just flat out lethal.
Throwing fire. Throwing
Oh,
fire.
there's you. Alright, you're coming in. Uh-oh.
Incendiary out.
B. They are heading to B. I hate, yep, bombs over there. Okay.
Incendiary out.
Oh, they went down the far way.
Throwing fire.
Oh, sweet.
Throwing
I'm
fire.
trying to get him in a cross path here.
Yeah, I got sniped. Sorry. This gun is not getting the job done.
Out.
Not that I have a gun that works great for me, but
Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
one guy left.
Counter-terrorists win.
He burned. He burned.
Incendiary.
See, now you really pissed them off. Now they're really
Oh.
gonna come back with a vengeance.
Nah, they're all chilling right now. Big weed party on lunch.
Incendiary out. Incendiary. Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
I
Throwing
love how
fire.
they shoot me while they're burning.
Throwing fire.
It's just not enough. You gotta do more than that.
Incendiary out. Incendiary.
Looks like Archie's in a hot spot. Oh, damn
Dude,
it.
I'm in this fucking smoke and they can still see me.
Eyes on enemy. Incendiary.
Bomb looks...
Oh, it's gonna go to B, isn't it?
Fire.
looks A.
It is A. Okay.
Oh, bomb's down.
Incendiary out. Throwing fire. Incendiary out. Throwing
Bomb's
fire.
down in the middle here.
Thank you. Oh, there's a guy. He's a sniper. Hard to believe.
Throwing fire.
Come by me. Oh, sniper down.
Might be another one coming.
Incendiary out. Throwing
Yep.
fire.
That sounds like he had a pistol.
What was that?
Sounded like he had a pistol.
Nice.
Yeah, I couldn't tell. I was gripping the, the trigger and panicking, so. If he had a pistol, though, he would have killed me. Those
Yeah,
things
that's
fire at a machine gun rate. Well, I'll look back on the video and go, God, Archie was right. That was a pistol.
It just sounds pistol.
Yeah, I did not pay close attention. Alright. We'll go B right away. Knock the one that's far away out. They weren't afraid of B last time.
I fucking heard a buffalo.
They could hear us a mile away. Alright, I'm taking the far way down.
Yeah, of course. First one to die.
Oh, Archie, you're doing something right.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
I killed myself. Fair enough. How we doing?
Did you die?
Oh, yeah. Was it supposed to plant the bomb? I just can't. There's
Where's the bomb?
It's on the move. Someone grabbed it.
Oh, fucking bot. He's probably going all the way to A now.
Unbelievable.
Fucking retard.
I mean, I told the fucker we're going to B. Or maybe he is. Alright, you got it. Well, there's one guy left, so he's definitely not a sniper. Oh boy. There you go.
Oh, about to die. Yeah, I thought I was.
You had it. I'll go to A. So many ways to A.
All the way around.
I took the first one.
Oh,
Are they here? Are they here? Yep, there's one. Oh, there's a couple. Oh, Jesus. Love to know how I got killed on that.
fucking, there's like 16,000 snipers. Dude, our bots are not moving.
Cover this area.
They're just standing there like retards.
Oh, shit, I got... I died. Unbelievable. I find out I have the bomb. I'm dead a second later.
Oh shit, where's your...
I think a bot has it. I'm going the wrong way.
Alright, where'd you want to go with it?
I was going to... Oh, I was going to go to A, but wherever you... Yeah, you're at A, aren't you? Yeah.
Am I?
I see the bomb hovering around A.
Where am I supposed to plant it?
You can put it at A. Oh, I mean, I know what you mean.
Oh.
Wow, there it is. I thought you meant A or B, but you meant like where physically on the map do I put it? What do they got? One
There,
left.
one left. I bet she comes out open over here. Right
Okay.
here.
Oh, close. Really wish I didn't have my grenade out that time. God, that was sad. He was just standing there for 5 seconds.
Oh, come on. Are you serious?
I can't get to him.
Wow, that was pathetic.
Yep. Can't argue that. Decoy, get... Oh, dude, you're lucky. Just gonna decoy him to death.
Alright, I'll go A again.
Alright. This'll work.
I'll just follow these signs now, I guess.
Don't be in here. Alright. Which way will they come out? There's 14 of them. Oh. You got me. That's it. They're all cleared out of this area. Boy, pop back on the right spot on that one. Oh, jeez. Oh, I got him before I died. All right, 18 grenades. That's a good start. I'll go to B. I'm going to take the far way, all the way to the end of the map for my entrance to be.
Follow me.
If I don't get to it.
No idea what you're talking about.
All right. I'm going all the way to the end here. And, oh shit, look at this. Oh, it's like a smorgasbord. That was fun.
Jeez, how the hell did I get 5?
Oh,
Well,
boy, am I glad I went to B.
I'll do Baker again.
All right.
Same way.
Same way?
Yeah, why
Come
not?
follow me.
I can't think they'll be there twice.
No, there's no way.
They were just stacked, all coming up the ladder at once.
Activating the bomb. Transferring fire. Bomb transferring fire.
Oh, they can come that way. All right.
Oh, dude, the sludge in this thing is
Oh.
moving. Isn't that cool?
Transferring fire.
There's shit inside moving, you can see.
Throwing fire. Transferring fire. Transferring fire.
And inside his tanker.
Oh my god, you got all the action. Oh yeah. Little details. They're coming from everywhere. Or 2 left. Oh, we're gonna hit the ceiling on that one.
See if you can shoot it, even oil goes away. It's like an oil tanker with water.
Little details you pick up.
Yeah. It's a curse.
I mean, who would be up there to look down in there? I'll go to A.
Let's go, let's go.
I think I'll go all the way straight. Oh. Smoke. Lead with fire. That's a sniper.
Sniper is down.
I forget the guy that was shooting you, though.
That's okay. I got the sniper.
Yeah, annoying. Getting a sniper should be worth like 2 kills. Put a price on their head.
Yeah, I guess we'll go apple again.
Alright. Alright, you went to long, I went to short. Let's see if we- Oh, they're coming. They are coming to A.
Damn, that sucks.
Oh, there's a lot. Oh, there's a lot. Gotta use the gun.
Oh, shit. Oh, bomb's down. Damn it.
Fucker.
This area is clear.
Jeez.
I got the bomb. Landing.
Excellent. Got a little shootout here. Oh, nice.
Jesus.
Well, that's relaxing.
That was a win.
That was definitely a good fight.
Yeah, that was a good all-around battle board. We don't play train often at all.
Yeah, I'll send you some pics after I take a leak.
All right, same here.